Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my February 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. This is what the box looks like. I love Boxycharm. I look forward to it every single month. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see what I got in my box, just keep watching. Okay, so you open it up and you get the card right here, which is the theme for this month. And the theme this month is Afterglow. And on the back of the card you have all your products, their details, and their pricing. So the first thing in here, which I'm so excited about, this is the Touch in Soul, if that's how you say that, No Pore Bloom Primer. This actually caught my eye when it launched, and I saw a couple people use it and talk about it, and I really wanted to try it, but I never remembered to pick it up anytime that I was looking for new makeup. So I'm actually really excited. It has this little pump on it. It comes with 1.01 fluid ounces, and it retails for $18. Oh, that's cheap. So why did I never try this? Okay, the next thing I see in here is from Pharmacy. This is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I'm excited to try this. I was hoping that I would get this in my box, so I'm actually excited about that. This retails for $22. Okay, the next thing in here is the, I'm not even going to try to say this. This is a Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. I have the shade English Rose. Okay, that's super weird. So you have the primer right here, which I took my lipstick off, so I'm gonna test this out. So you prime. I forgot that I didn't have lipstick on, and I just filmed this whole video without it. Whoa, it's like magnetic. That's crazy. That's cool. I like this packaging. The color's a little intense for this look, but it worked okay to just give it a wash of color. It kind of just looks like I don't have lipstick on, like if my lips were just naturally really dark. The next thing is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Oh, that lip crayon retails for $25. This mascara retails for $24, and I don't think I've actually tried this before. My lashes suck. My real lashes, they really suck. I always wear falsies, so mascara, I pretty much use whatever mascara I have. It doesn't make a difference to me as long as it doesn't flake, but I will be testing this out soon. And then the last product in this box is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter. So I think it's the Glow Up Highlighter in Shimmering Swan. This is really pretty. I haven't seen any good things about this. I've seen people saying that there's no pigment on it. It just seems very, I mean, it's really pretty. It's kind of just like a natural glow. We'll have to see how it looks when I use it on this skin. And that highlighter retails for $32. This box is valued at over $120, which is crazy. So you pay $21 and you get a box shipped to you with 4 to 5 high-end full-size products every single month. I love my Boxycharm. Even if you don't like everything that you get in your box, it is still worth it to pay the $21 and get those products. I think this is a great way to test out new brands, test out new products at a lower price, just kind of see, you know, just broaden your horizons. I have found some really great products from my Boxycharm. Some holy grail stuff I've gotten from here. I love it so much. It's so good. If you guys have not checked it out, I definitely suggest testing it out. I totally think it's worth it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. I did film this eyeshadow look and this face makeup. Those videos will probably be coming up next, so keep an eye out for those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.